करातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विनाशि लोकरक्षकं मुदा करातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विनाशि लोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नदाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नदाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् भीकरं नमोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नताधिकापदुद्धरं नतेतरातिभीकरं नमोदितार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरं नताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गणेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गणेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् पंचरत्नमादरेण योमहं प्रजपति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरं गणेश पंचरत्नमादरेण योमहं प्रजपति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरं अरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति रोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति अभ्युपैति
It's our distinct honor and privilege to welcome you to the 10th decennial annual State Conference of Indian Psychiatric Society, Telangana State Branch, here in the vibrant city of Nizamabad. The theme of the conference is Addiction Psychiatry. We welcome all the delegates to this academic feast. May I now respectfully invite our esteemed dignitaries to the dais. Dr. Minhaj Zafar Nasirabadi Sir, President, IBS Telangana State Branch. Dr. R. Bhupati Reddy Garu, MLA Nizamabad Rural Constituency. Shri Bomma Mahesh Kumar Gaud Garu, MLC and Working President, DPPC. Dr. M. Umashankar Sir, CEO, State Mental Health Authority, Telangana. Dr. Ashok K. Alamchandani Sir, Vice President, IBS TSP. Dr. Vishalakulla Sir, Honorary General Secretary, IBS Telangana State Branch and Organizing Secretary, TSI Con 2024 Nizamabad. Dr. Anita Rairala Ma'am, Honorary Treasurer, IBS Telangana State Branch. Dr. Fanikant Kondaparthi sir, Editor IPS Telangana State Branch. Dr. M. Ram Subba Reddy sir, IPS Telangana State Branch South Zone Representative. And Dr. V. George Reddy sir, Organizing Chairman. Handing over the proceedings to Dr. Minhad sir, IPS Telangana State Branch President.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I would request the organizers to start with prayer song.
शरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानवत्याय गानोत्सुतमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलत्सायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रबलाय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसधाराध्याय गुरुविक्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीतनादाय गीततत्त्वाय धीमहि गौडगल्फाय खण्डमत्याय घोषयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थात्मरात्मने गीतलीलाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचतुराय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकात्वेन विक्रमाय गङ्गाचलप्रणयमटे गौरीसनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणवाय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गौतहस्ताय गौतघोषाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. Thank you.
Thank you. May I request all the dignitaries to come for lighting of lamp? థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
గౌరవ నైనా జఫర్ నసీరాబాదీ గారు, ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఐపీఎస్ టిఎస్బి, లక్ష్మీకాంత్ రాఠీ గారు, ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఐపీఎస్, డాక్టర్ భూపతి రెడ్డి గారు, ఎమ్మెల్యే, ఉమాశంకర్ గారు, అశోక్ గారు, విశాల్ ఆకుల గారు, అనిత గారు, ఫణికాంత్ గారు, ఎం రామ్ సుబ్బారెడ్డి గారు, జార్జ్ రెడ్డి గారు, భాగ్యరెడ్డి గారు, టెన్త్ యాన్యువల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ సైకియాట్రిక్ సొసైటీ జరుపుకోవడం మీ అందరికీ కూడా అభినందన తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. నేను చాలా సందర్భాలు చెప్తూ ఉంటాను, డాక్టర్ ప్రొఫెషన్ అనేది చాలా గొప్ప గౌరవప్రదమైనటువంటి ప్రొఫెషన్ ఈ దేశంలో. యు గో అండ్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీ 10th class finishing student, what is your future goal? So more than 50% of the students opt for MBBS. They want to become a doctor. డాక్టర్ కావాలనే కళ 10th పాస్ అవబోతున్న ప్రతి మెజారిటీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కనబడేటువంటి అంశం. అఫ్కోర్స్ పొలిటికల్ ప్రొఫెషన్ అది లీస్ట్లో ఉంటుంది, డాక్టర్స్ అనేది చాలా టాప్ ప్రయారిటీలో ఉంటుంది. డాక్టర్స్ పాతకాలంలో మేము చూసే డాక్టర్స్ పెద్దలకు ఒక డాక్టర్ అయితే పిల్లలకు ఒక డాక్టర్ అని చూసేది. ఇంత సొసైటీ ఎంత అభివృద్ధి చెందినట్టు వల్ల కొన్ని వేల స్పెషలైజేషన్స్తో డాక్టర్స్ ప్రొఫెషన్ ముందుకు వస్తూ ఉంది. దాంట్లో ఒక ప్రత్యేకత ఉన్నటువంటిది సైకియాట్రిస్ట్. ఈ సమాజం వాళ్ళు ఎదుర్కొంటున్నటువంటి ప్రధానమైన సమస్య మత్తు పదార్థాలు. ఈ దేశం ఆ దేశం అని లేదు, ఈ రాష్ట్రం ఆ రాష్ట్రం అని లేదు, ప్రతి చోట దినదినాభివృద్ధి చెందినటువంటి చెడ్డ డిసీజ్ ఇవాళ దేశంలో మాదక ద్రవ్యాలు. ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా చూసుకుంటే కూడా అసలు డ్రగ్ ఫ్రీ దేశం అనేది ఈ ప్రపంచంలో లేదు. గొప్పగా చెప్పుకున్నాడు సింగపూర్ కానీ పోర్చుగల్ కానీ డ్రగ్స్ వాడకాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేస్తూ అతి తక్కువ మోతాదులో దేశాలు తప్ప డ్రగ్ ఫ్రీ దేశం అనేది లేకుండా పోతా ఉందంటే ఎంత దుర్మార్గము మహమ్మారిలాగా మారుతుందో మనం అర్థం చేసుకునే అవసరం ఉన్నది. పాశ్చాత్య దేశాల్లో ఎర్లీ 60s ఎర్లీ 70s స్టార్ట్ అయినటువంటి దురలవాటు ఆనాడు అమెరికా అధ్యక్షుడు నిక్సన్ రోజుల్లో డ్రగ్స్ మీద 70s ఎర్లీ 70s డ్రగ్స్ మీద యుద్ధం ప్రకటించి ఆ తర్వాత 1986 or 87లో ఇది దినోత్సవాన్ని జరిపినట్లుగా ప్రారంభించిన చరిత్ర చెప్తా ఉంది. ఎక్కడైతే డ్రగ్స్ వాడకం అధికం ఉంటుందో ఆ సొసైటీ నాశనానికి నాంది పలుకుతుంది. మన దేశంలో కూడా ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ లాంటి పెద్ద రాష్ట్రం, మహారాష్ట్ర లాంటి పెద్ద రాష్ట్రం, పంజాబ్ లాంటి అతిపెద్ద పొడవైనటువంటి బోర్డర్ ఉన్న రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా అత్యధిక మాదక ద్రవ్యాలు ఎగుమతి అవుతూ ఉన్నాయి, దిగుమతి అవుతూ ఉన్నాయి, వాడుకల్లోకి వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. తెలంగాణ సమైక్య ఆంధ్రదేశం తెలంగాణలో కూడా ఈ మధ్యన ఈ దురలవాటు విపరీతంగా పెరుగుతూ ఉంది. దురదృష్టం ఏంటంటే సమాజానికి ఒక ఉదాహరణగా ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా నిలవాల్సిన వారు, మార్గదర్శకాన్ని ఇవ్వాల్సినటువంటి సినీ తారలు, పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలు, స్పోర్ట్స్ మెన్, వీరు ఈ దురలవాటికి పడతా ఉంటే చిన్న చిన్నగా గుడ్డి అడుగులు వేస్తున్నటువంటి యువతరం చాలా స్పీడ్గా ఆకట్టుకోపోతూ ఉంది. భారతదేశంలో అటు కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం కానీ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాలు కానీ మాదక ద్రవ్యాల మీద వాడకాల మీద ఉక్కుపాదం మోపుతున్నప్పటికీ కూడా సమాజంలో మార్పు రావాలి. ప్రభుత్వాలు ఎంత కఠిన నిర్ణయాలు తీసుకొని ఎంత కఠినమైన పనిష్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా సమాజంలో అవేర్నెస్ రావాలి, మార్పు రావాలి. మన అమెరికాలో చూస్తాం, నేరం రుజువు అయితే చాలా తీవ్ర పనిష్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. అప్పటికి కూడా చాలామంది అవతల దానికి అడ్డు లేకుండా పోతా ఉంది. దేశంలో కూడా కఠినతరమైన చట్టాలు తీసుకొస్తా ఉన్నాం దీని మీద. ఒకప్పుడు పట్టణాలకే పరిమితమైనటువంటి హెరాయిన్, కోకాయిన్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇవాళ గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లోకి వచ్చేస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. గంజాయి వాడుకో మోటతనం కనబడితే సొఫిస్టికేటెడ్ రూపంలో ఇంజక్షన్లు ఇలాంటి సొఫిస్టికేట్ మందులు వాడుతూ ఉన్నారు. సో దీన్ని ఆపాల్సిన అవసరం, అరికట్టాల్సిన అవసరం ప్రతి పౌరుడి మీద ఉంది, ముఖ్యంగా డాక్టర్స్ మీద ఉంది. ప్రభుత్వాలు ఎన్ని చర్యలు తీసుకున్నా ఆదిలోనే దీన్ని ఆపాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. సామాన్య జనంలో అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉన్నది. ఆ దశకి మీరంతా కూడా కృషి చేయాలని, రాజకీయ రంగంలో మేమంతా కూడా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు దీన్ని అప్రమత్తంగా ముందుకెళ్తున్నప్పటికీ సమాజంలో దీనికి అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకొచ్చి అట్లీస్ట్ మన తెలంగాణలో డ్రగ్ ఫ్రీ స్టేట్స్లో అతి తక్కువ మోతాదులో వాడుతున్న స్టేట్గా మనం తెచ్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ఈ దిశగా రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు కూడా, రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు కూడా చాలా తీవ్రంగా దీని మీద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. పలుమార్లు అధికారులతో సమావేశమైనారు. చాలా కఠినతరమైనటువంటి దీనికి శిక్షలు పడాలని, ఇది ఎక్కడ కూడా కాంప్రమైజ్ కాకుండా ముందుకు పోవాలనే తపనతో తెలంగాణలో కాంగ్రెస్ ప్రభుత్వం ముందుకు పోతూ ఉంది. దీంట్లో మీ భాగస్వామ్యం కూడా ఉండాలని, భవిష్యత్తులో సమాజంలో వివిధ హోదాలో ఉన్న మనం ఈ డ్రగ్స్ మీద, ఈ డ్రగ్స్ మమ్మారి మీద సామాజిక యుద్ధం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉన్నది. అప్పుడు కానీ ఇది ఒక అదుపులోకి వచ్చే అవకాశం లేదు. డాక్టర్ విశాల్ ఇందాక చెప్తా ఉన్నా, చిన్న తరంలో కూల్ డ్రింక్స్తో మొదలయ్యేటువంటి ప్రక్రియ, తర్వాత విస్కీ, బ్రాండీలకు పోతే తర్వాత తీవ్రంగా రూపం దాలుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం మన లెక్కల ప్రకారం దాదాపుగా 40 to 80% రోజు లిక్కర్ తీసుకుంటే కానీ నిద్రపోయేటువంటి పరిస్థితులు వాళ్ళు చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ 2-2.5% డ్రగ్స్ తీసుకున్నటువంటి జనాభా ఉంది, చాలా పెద్ద శాతం. సో దీన్ని అరికట్టడంలో మీ పాత్ర గణనీయంగా ఉండాలని, ఆ కార్యక్రమం మా సహకారం మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందని నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తా ఉన్నాను. సమాజంలో డాక్టర్స్కి ఉన్నటువంటి గౌరవం, ఆ విలువ, ఆ ప్రత్యేకత మరే ఇతర ప్రొఫెషన్కి లేదు. మీరు డాక్టర్లుగా అయినందుకు మీ అందరిని కూడా నేను అభినందిస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మేము డాక్టర్లు కావాలని కళ్ళు కానీ కూడా కాలేకపోయినా అలాంటి అందరికీ కూడా మీరు మార్గదర్శకులు. ఈ ప్రొఫెషన్లో మీరు రాణిస్తూ ప్రపంచానికి ప్రాణదాతలుగా, భగవంతుడి తర్వాత డాక్టర్ ప్రాణం పోసే దాతగా ఉంటారు. ప్రాణదాతలుగా ఉన్నటువంటి మీ అందరూ కూడా అభినందనలు. ముఖ్యంగా సైక్రియాటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది చాలా కష్టమైన ఫీల్డ్. ఆ దురాగతానికి అలవాటు వ్యక్తి ఎప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారో తెలియదు. మా ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా ఇలాంటి పేషెంట్ మేము ఎగుతా ఉన్నాం. సో ఇది కష్టతరమైనటువంటి ప్రొఫెషన్ కాబట్టి దాంట్లో మీరు రాణించాలని, మరి 10th యాన్యువల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ జరుగుతున్న సందర్భంలో మీ అందరికీ కూడా మా తరఫున అభినందన తెలియజేస్తూ, మా వంతు సహకారం ఎప్పుడు ఏది ఉన్నా ప్రభుత్వ పరంగా కానీ వ్యక్తిగతంగా కానీ ఈ చేదోడు వాదడుగా ఉంటామనే మాట చెప్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నాను. జై హింద్.
ఓకే సార్.
వెళ్ళాల్సిందిగా నన్ను క్షమించాల్సిందిగా కోరుతూ సెలవు.
Telangana State Branch to Nizamabad. I see the hall is almost full. Thanks for coming. I think we started this schedule on time because I think we're just 10 minutes late of program today. Thanks to all the postgraduates who had come on time to present your papers. It was wonderful to see you in the morning here. With a few words, it's warm to have our chief guest Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir here with his busy schedule. I think he was hopping from Guwahati straight to Hyderabad, from there again traveling almost 230 kilometers wherever you are here. Thank you very much Rathi sir, and it's a privilege to have you as the chief guest for this our 10th annual conference. And we have our distinguished Dr. Bhupat Reddy sir, MLA of Nizamabad rural. I think sir, it's nice to have you amongst the guests for this auspicious day of our 10th Telangana annual conference. And Dr. Umashankar sir, Dr. Minaz, Dr. Chandani sir, Dr. Anita, Dr. Fanikant, Dr. Ram Subba Reddy sir, Vishal. I think holding a conference is, I think, at Nizamabad, we were thinking it will be definitely a challenge, but so wonderfully developed Nizamabad with good infrastructures. I'm sure we'll be able to organize more and more programs. And the psychiatrists of Nizamabad, you have done a wonderful job for taking up this annual conference. It was in 2016, I think Nizamabad had the first midterm CME. Again, Vishal was there as the organizing secretary. And again, congratulations to Vishal. After 10 years, he has taken up the state conference. In between, he has done the South Zone also. Congratulations, Vishal, for your efforts, and hope you continue to have the more programs in the future. And today's theme for the conference, I'm sure it will definitely benefit all of us in our practice. Hope we'll do many more programs like this. MLA sir, yesterday we had a pre-workshop on awareness to medical officers, sir. I think this was the first time we are doing, sir. Not only we psychiatrists talking about the program, sir. We wanted to go into the public through the medical officers to the paramedical staff, sir. I think we just bring it to your notice, sir. With these few words, I thank you all, and thank you Nizamabad for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, George bhai. Respected IPS President Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir, Dr. R. Bhupati Reddy sir, MLA Nizamabad Rural Constituency, he is also an orthopedic surgeon. Dr. Bhuma Mahesh Kumar Gaur sir, he has just left. Dr. M. Umashankar sir, CEO State Mental Health Authority. Dr. Ashok Kalim Chandani sir, Vice President IPS TSB. Dr. Vishal Akula, Honorary General Secretary, Indian Psychiatric Society Telangana State Branch and Organizing Secretary TS ICON. Dr. Anita Rayalala, Honorary Treasurer IPS TSB. Dr. Fanikant Kondapatti, Editor IPS TSB. Dr. Ram Subba Reddy sir, IPS TSB's South Zone Representative and our past President. Dr. V. George Reddy, Organizing Chairman and immediate past President IPS TSB. And all the delegates of the dais, I welcome you all. A very good morning to all of you. I would like to start with my journey. I took over in June 2023, and I would like to thank all the members and EC, IPS TSB for their cooperation throughout the year. I would also like to thank all past presidents, all past secretaries, treasurers and all office bearers of IPS TSB for bringing IPS TSB to this level in its 10th year. With the birth of Telangana State, we had Indian Psychiatric Society, Telangana State Branch newly born, and within no time we could reach the top. As Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir was saying, our branch is looked upon. Last 2 years, for last 2 years we have been winning best State Branch Award in IPS. All thanks to all our past presidents and all their hard work. Last year was very eventful. We did lots of awareness activities on World Suicide Prevention Day. Almost 100 of our members all over Telangana state participated in World Suicide Prevention Day activity, and we created awareness in general public. World Schizophrenia Day, World Bipolar Day, all were observed by most of our psychiatrists in their clinics, in their hospitals, in their medical colleges, and the events were successful. We could percolate the knowledge which we have to general public as well as doctors. World Autism Day was celebrated along with the NGO Marham, in which Governor of Telangana was there. To speak about awareness activities, this time we did a novel thing with help of Dr. George Reddy and DMNHO. We could visit almost 150 schools. We addressed students of 10th standard in 150 schools all over Telangana. 10th standard examination, we would see lots of students committing suicide and getting stressed up. So we conducted awareness program. Almost 50 psychiatrists went to various schools and conducted awareness activities in the school, taught them how to cope with stress, and this was the first time that we could percolate to the society so much, so deep. We also, along with Indian Medical Association, medical colleges and other organizations, we conducted various awareness activities. Thus, we didn't spare any stone unturned. At Apollo Hospital with Dr. Ashok Alimchandani sir, we did midterm CME, topic being how to establish psychiatric practice, and it was a runaway success. PG CME was done at Pratima Institute of Medical Sciences by Dr. Sai Krishna Pulli and Dr. Kishan sir, and on research development, in which PGs were taught how to start research, how to do a paper. It was also a runaway success. One extra CME was done by Dr. Pawan at Chalmeda Institute of Medical Sciences on autism for postgraduates. Again, I would like to say that this was the second time that we won Best Branch Award, and I would hope that we do a hat-trick. I would extend my wishes to Ashok Alimchandani sir to do the same. Coming on to today's yesterday's this program, it started with a bang. We did incidentally, yesterday was World Yoga Day, and we all started with yoga teacher, and on the cricket ground, Christian Medical College cricket ground, we had yoga teacher teaching us some asanas. After that we played cricket. There is this mission 99 by Dr. Sridhar Raju sir, who says that we should all stay healthy, mental as well as physically healthy, to be healthy till 99 years of life. So it started this cricket match. So we doctors, we psychiatrists, we sit at one place, we don't do physical activity for our own health. We started this and we played cricket. Yesterday we also take care of people who have substance abuse, because many, as our MLC Garu was saying, there are many people who are addicted to various substances, but they don't come to psychiatrists. So many of them, they touch general practitioners, they come in contact with paramedical staffs. So it was a good activity to take care of them. Today we saw two Galaxy of Stars, Dr. T.S.S. Rao sir and Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir speaking, and we have more in live. We have paper presentations, we have oration awards, and Galaxy of Stars from all over the country. I would like to congratulate you. Thank you. Now it is time for handing over the medal. I'll hand over the matter to Dr. Ashikaran Channel sir, and we'll change the places.
Give a big round of applause. Congratulations.
Sir, we'll change the seats. Yeah, absent.
Thank you.
I hand over the proceedings to new president, Dr.
Immediate past president, Dr. Minaj Safar Islamabad. Honorable President of the Indian Psychiatric Society, Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi, our Chief Guest of Honor, Dr. Bhupat Reddy Garu, MLA Nizamabad, Urban Constituency, Dr. Uma Shankar, the CEO of the State Mental Health Authority, Dr. Vishal Akula, Honorary Secretary and Organizing Secretary for today's conference, Dr. George Reddy, Organizing Chairman, Dr. Anita Railala, Treasurer of the TSP, Dr. Fanikant Kondaparthi, Editor, Dr. M. Ram Subba Reddy, South Zone Representative, and dignitaries of the dais, fellow colleagues in the TSP, and all delegates and postgraduates who have come here today for this conference. It is a great honor and a privilege to be given this responsibility of the presidentship of the Indian Psychiatric Society, TSB, in the 10th year of its existence. It's a beautiful day and I feel doubly honored because this happens also to be my birthplace. So I feel very nice today sitting here, standing here before you all. The last few years our society has been making good progress, and that is reflected in the fact that we have been awarded the best state branch for 2 years in succession, and it's indeed a big responsibility on me, and I do hope that we will continue the momentum with the cooperation of all. We have so many dynamic leaders, Vishal, George, Dr. Kishan, so many, and younger generation also, so many are coming up, and with their enthusiasm and energy, I think we can continue and take our society to a even greater height that we need to do. As we see, there is very little penetration of psychiatry in the different parts of the state. So I think we need to go broader and deeper, just like all our other fellow specializations have been going and penetrating to all levels. Coming to the conference theme itself, it's a very nice topic the organizers have chosen. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful arrangement. All the arrangements have actually exceeded our expectations, and I thank you Dr. Vishal and George for doing this. The theme of the conference, of course, as my predecessor Dr. Minaj has just pointed out, de-addiction services. This is a very important aspect, and as we realize that it is not merely drug and alcohol de-addiction, but there are several types of addiction which are coming up in society. As society changes gears and as society is changing in its composition, the relationship between parents and children is changing. Children and adolescents are relating more to the world around them and finding pleasure and therefore also developing addiction for many more things like internet addictions, and all these are being talked about, and it's good that we are addressing all these issues which are becoming a major problem in society, going beyond the drug and alcohol addictions. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be the president, and I do hope that I will live up to your expectations and fulfill all my obligations. Thank you once more. Next item on the agenda is an Honorary General Secretary's report by Dr. Vishal Akula. Can I call upon Dr. Vishal, please?
Good morning all. Warm welcome to Nizamabad and welcome to 10th annual conference of Indian Psychiatric Society Telangana State Branch. So respected dignitaries, today's chief guest, our national president Dr. Lakshman Reddy sir and our president Dr. Ashok Alimchandani sir and guest of honor Dr. Bhupat Reddy sir and one more guest of honor Dr. Bhoma Mahesh Gaur sir and our immediate past president Dr. Meena sir and President Dr. Anita Rairala, editor Dr. Fanikant Kundapatti and one more guest of honor and Subhane Deragata Mental Hospital and CEO Mental Health Authority of Telangana Dr. Umar Shankar sir and State South Zone representative from IPS TSB Dr. Ram Subbareddy sir and TSI Con 2024 Nizamabad organizing chairperson Dr. Jaz Reddy sir. So already Meena sir covered many points about General Secretary report. I welcome our incoming President Dr. Ashok Alimchandani, who is an academician and a teacher of teachers. I am eagerly waiting to work under his leadership as a General Secretary. Your dedication and discipline and determination for Telangana State Branch will bring it to more heights. And our outgoing President Dr. Meena sir, it was a wonderful experience working with him. During this year, under his leadership, we could do lot of awareness, and it was truly a learning experience. Thank you, sir, for all the guidance and cooperation. And during his tenure, we got a national level award from Indian Psychiatric Society. For this, I would like to thank our national president, Dr. Lakshmikant Reddy sir, and today's chief guest, our beloved IPS President Dr. Lakshmikant Reddy sir, who is a dynamic leader and doing a lot of good work in Indian Psychiatric Society. His vision and mission is crystal clear to bring IPS to peak level. His energy is unbelievable and no one can match his speed. So we have to please give a good round of applause to our national president. We all know his stature and his work. During this half term of his tenure, he has achieved many milestones. His vision to see at least 2,000 new members to join and convert all LYM, Life Ordinary members, to Life Fellows, and for that he has chosen our past president and founder secretary of IPS TSB, Dr. Jaz Reddy, as a chairman membership drive. They will work with you for the vision. Thank you, Dr. Jaz Reddy sir. Now I welcome Dr. R. Bhupat Reddy sir, our honorable MLA and Nizamabad rural constituency, who belongs to our own community, our own doctors fraternal community. Is a busy orthopedician and I'm trying to say is a member of IMA Nizamabad. So thank you very much sir. Who has Bhupat Reddy sir contributed a lot of he has contributed a lot to the society. We are fortunate to have him as our Nizamabad MLA rural constituency. I welcome Sri Bhoma Mahesh Kumar Gaur Garu, MLC and working president TPPC, Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee. He is our strength and fortunate to have him here. And I welcome our mentor Dr. Umar Shankar sir, CEO Mental Health Authorities of Telangana State. He is doing a wonderful work in Telangana State in the field of mental health, both administratively and clinically. So please give a big round of applause to our Umashankar sir. Thank you sir for showing us the way. And I welcome Dr. Anita Rai Rala Madam, Honorary Treasurer of IPS TSB, who is a very active member of the society. So thank you very much Madam. And I welcome Dr. Fanikant Kondaparthi, he is editor of IPS TSB. He is doing good work and taking our journal to new heights. And also I thank our past leader Sai Krishna also. I welcome Dr. Ram Subbareddy sir, Professor. He is a South Zone representative. Pleasure to have you sir. I would like to welcome Dr. Jazzy Reddy sir, our organizing chairperson of Telangana State TSICON 2024, without whom this conference would not happen. Thank you sir. I thank George sir for extending his valuable experience and advice to conduct this conference in a smooth manner. And I thank Nizamabad Psychiatry Society members, Dr. B. Keshavlu and Dr. Rajendra, Dr. Rajshekhar, Dr. Arun, Dr. Vikas, Dr. Pradeep, Dr. Shalini, Dr. Ravi Teja, and especially Government Medical College, Professor and HOD, Department of Psychiatry, Dr. Shiva Prasad sir and team, and all the Nizamabad Psychiatry Society members. And I would like to thank the organizing committee members for your cooperation. Especially I would like to thank Dr. Sai Krishna and team, and from Dr. Fanikant and team for your cooperation and extending support. Especially I would like to thank my parent organization, my assistant professor Dr. Asha Monika, Dr. G. Sakesh Reddy and Dr. Varun. So thank you very much for your valuable support. I am grateful to see the hall full of audience. I hope you all will enjoy the academic session. Thank you one and all for attending this conference. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I thank you, Dr. Vishal. I would now call upon Dr. Anita Ravirela, our Honorary Treasurer, to present her report.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected past President Dr. Minat sir and the current President Dr. Ashok Alim Chandani sir, and today's Chief Guest Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir and Bhupati Reddy Garu MLA, the guest of honor, and Bhoma Mahesh Kumar Gaud Garu, another guest of honor, and the current office bearers of IPS TSB, and Dr. Umashankar sir, CEO State Mental Health Authority, and organizing secretary of today's conference Dr. Vishal Akula, and organizing chairman Dr. George Reddy Garu, and all the dignitaries on the dais I feel very privileged and delighted to be a part of this decennial IPS TSB conference held in Nizamabad. And the topic for this conference is addiction psychiatry. We all know that how addictions have increased leaps and bounds in the society, and not only the substance abuse like alcohol and cannabis, but also behavioral addictions like mobile phone addictions, internet addictions, porn addictions, they've all increased. Particularly very concerning thing is to see that in 10-year-olds, from 10-year-olds in adolescents who are considered to be the crucial age of the society, they are also getting addicted to substances and behavioral addictions. So at this juncture, I think it is the best time to talk about addiction psychiatry, pondering on the important nuances. Like we all know that biological factors, psychological factors and social factors are responsible for addictions, and the diagnosis, management and treatment biologically and psychologically is an important thing to learn. So this conference theme is carefully planned to address all these requirements and to well equip the psychiatrists to deal with these conditions. So I think it is a well conceived thought and theme for this year, and also I feel that Not only, and recently we have seen that many de-addiction centers in the society are being run by non-psychiatrists and non-doctors. It is very, very difficult situation. So as psychiatrists, I think it is our responsibility to run the de-addiction centers on our own and to take the lead in running the de-addiction centers. And at this juncture, I congratulate all the speakers, because all the speakers were selected from different parts of the country and they are experts in the field. And at this juncture, I also request all the postgraduates, because the postgraduate numbers have increased exponentially from the last 2 to 3 years, and it is very much needed to have poster presentations and paper presentations for NMC to consider them for exams. So it is a part of their curriculum. So I request all the PGs to take active membership in IPS TSP. And you will, I definitely say that I will assure you that you will learn, because all the programs are designed particularly taking PGs into consideration. So I think it is a well thought about, and all previous IPS TSP conferences of PGCMEs are all top notch. And coming to the venue, it is a very good venue and very good infrastructure. Really, it is very, I was surprised to see Nizamabad can hold such a huge conference, and the members have almost reached 400, I think. So I congratulate the organizing secretary and organizing chairperson Dr. Vishal Akula and Dr. George Reddy for conducting such a wonderful program in Nizamabad. And thank you the organizing team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Kondapati, our honorary editor, for his brief message.
Good morning all. Welcome to the delegates. Respected incoming President Dr. Ashok K. Alimchandani sir, outgoing President Dr. Minaj sir, today's chief guest our IPS President Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir, today's guest of honors Dr. R. Bhupati Garu, Honorable MLA, Nizamabad Rural Constituency, Sri Bomma Mahesh Kumar Gaud Garu, MLC and Working President, TPPC, Dr. Umashankar sir, SMHA CEO and Superintendent of IMH Hyderabad, Dr. Anita ma'am, Honorary Treasurer of IPS TSB, Organizing Chairman of TSICON 2024, Dr. V. George Reddy sir, and Organizing Secretary Dr. Vishal Akula. Very good morning. I wish this conference a huge success. We can see the efforts of Dr. George Reddy sir and Dr. Vishal and his team. Everyone has put a lot of efforts to give us a wonderful experience. I hope everyone is enjoying the hospitality. As editor, I request all the members and postgraduates to encourage the journal by sending the articles. Our Telangana Journal of Psychiatry is indexed with DOAJ and will be benefited if it's published. Please utilize this opportunity. And I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Superintendent of Institute of Mental Health, to address the gallery.
Good morning, all of you. Respected President Dr. Ashok Alimchandani sir and outgoing President Dr. Minaj Zafari, and today's chief guest Dr. Lakshmikant Rathi sir, and guest of honor Dr. R. Bhupati Reddy Garu, MLA of Nizamabad Rural Constituency, and Organizing Secretary Dr. Vishal Akula, Organizing Chairperson Dr. George Reddy, and IPS TSP South Zone Representative Dr. Ramsundar Reddy, and Editor IPS TSP Dr. Fanikant, and other dignitaries on the dais of the dais. Since last 10 years after formation of Telangana, we are organizing this Telangana State Branch Conferences. Regularly, we are doing conference with one theme. The theme may be different in every time,
this time Nizamabad, because I know since long time I am observing that anytime some prohibition or something is there, there are a lot of cases, lot of problems noticed in the Nizamabad. Even sometimes we from the State Institute used to come to help the people here. That may be the appropriate, the conference held in the Nizamabad, they given a theme like addiction psychiatry. But addiction may be any time, like morning there is a talk, addiction may be any substance, any phone or porn or anything addiction. So those things will be difficult to cut down unless if they are committed for those. The people committed to quit, they cannot, if unless a good motivation is there. But that is a responsibility of treating doctors and the family members along with the patient. So here, what I want to say is, lot of deliberations going on the theme. The various senior faculty is attending and deliberating their lectures. This thing will be helping us to create awareness among society. Most of the people, they might not be knowing that they have a treatment for these things. So this organizing conference will create the awareness among the society as well as enhance the knowledge of the people, those who are attending to the conference. And as a nodal officer as well as CEO of the State Mental Health Authority, I request all the psychiatrists, those who are treating the patients without any proper guidelines or proper license. Nowadays there are so many problems they are facing. So take the license and admit the patient and treat properly. That will save your skin as well as patients also protected. Yesterday we saw one WhatsApp message sent by the Ashok Alimchandani sir. There was a problem in the Chennai. Suddenly the court said that inquire all the de-addiction centers in the entire state of Tamil Nadu and take proper necessary action. In that case, anybody, suppose those who are not having a license, proper license, first they will be pointing out, you are treated properly or not. They don't want that. Do you have some license or not? First they will take. So that is the reason, better to take a license properly and maintain the minimum what are the requirements and treat the patient. That will be helping you and that will protect you also. And once again I will congratulate the organizers organizing this conference very well, and also very good number of delegates also participating, and these deliberations may be definitely helping the delegates to enrich their knowledge and they go with their good memories. This, I thank the organizers giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Rural Constituency, our guest of honor, to address us.
Indian Psychiatry Society, Telangana branch
స్టేట్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి ఈ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో మరి నాతో పాటు వచ్చినటువంటి నజీరుబాది డాక్టర్ గారు ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఐపీఎస్ అండ్ లక్ష్మీకాంత్ రాఠీ గారు ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఐపీఎస్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ దెన్ ఉమా శంకర్ సిఇఓ స్టేట్ మెంటల్ హెల్త్ అథారిటీ తెలంగాణ అండ్ డాక్టర్ అశోక్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అండ్ డాక్టర్ విశాల్ ఆకుల అనిత రవిరాల గారు అండ్ పల్లికాంత్ గారు రామసుబ్బారెడ్డి గారు జార్జ్ రెడ్డి గారు అండ్ ఆల్ ద అదర్ డిగ్నిటరీస్ and the doctors came from the different part of the state and country. I welcome you all to my constituency. This is my constituency. Then I congratulate and thanks for the organizing secretary Akula Vishal Garu to bring the state conference here in Nizamabad. So we welcome you all to Nizamabad and particularly in my constituency. This hotel belongs to my constituency and in the area of my area. So anyhow, I think you are comfortable here. Yeah, when I was joining in the medical college, then going for a post-graduation. So many people, even a doctor's faculty also, many people don't know about the psychiatry because a small subject in MBBS. Now as the country grows, country developing, now the psychiatry importance is increasing now. As you see in Europe and other first world countries like America, the psychiatry is the topmost faculty. And that's the importance. Now the mental health is one of the fundamental healthcare system in human life. So it is a psychiatry is something ఏమైందంటే ఫిజికల్ హెల్త్ మెంటల్ హెల్త్ రెండు. సైకాట్రిస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే he has to treat the patient, he has to treat the disease, he has to treat the family, he has to treat the community కూడా. మన దగ్గర చూస్తా ఉన్నాం అన్ఫార్చునేట్ నిన్ననే మన మై కొలీగ్ మెడిపల్లి సత్యం ఈజ్ ఎమ్మెల్యే ఫ్రమ్ ధర్మ చొప్పదండి హిస్ వైఫ్ కమిటెడ్ సూసైడ్. సో ది సూసైడల్ టెండెన్సీస్ అన్నాయి. మరి ఎందుకు అన్నది మీరే చెప్పాలంటే ఈవెన్ చిన్న చిన్న పిల్లలు కాలేజ్ పిల్లలు ఎస్ఎస్సి ఫెయిల్ అయిన పిల్లలు లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు నారాయణ శ్రీ చైతన్య ఎక్కడైతే కొన్ని ప్రైవేట్ స్కూళ్ళలో మన ప్రెషర్ ఉండి ఎగ్జామ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ సరిగా లేకుండా లేకుండా ఐఐటి స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలామంది ఈవెన్ వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్ వర్కింగ్ మెన్ సమ్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ రీజన్ దే కమిటింగ్ టు సూసైడ్స్. ఇది ఒక పెద్ద మేజర్ సోషల్ ఇంపాక్ట్ అయిపోయింది. అండ్ అప్పుడు టుడేస్ యువర్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ అడిక్షన్ సైకాట్రీ. I think the psychiatry begins from the child psychiatry, children psychiatry. So now the role of psychiatry ఇప్పుడు అన్ని స్టేజ్లలో ఉంది. అయితే స్పెషల్గా ఈ సూసైడల్ టెండెన్సీస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఐ థింక్ అంటే మీరు అంటే అఫ్కోర్స్ ఇట్స్ డిప్రెషన్ సిండ్రోమ్ అండ్ సడన్ దర్ ఇస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పైక్ ఆఫ్ ద డిప్రెషన్ దే కమిట్ సూసైడ్. బట్ అంటే దీంట్లో ఇంకా రీసెర్చ్ సీరియస్గా చేసి బికాజ్ ఇట్ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ సొసైటీ. ఐ థింక్ మా దగ్గర కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఏమిటంటే ఇంకా ఈ అడిక్షన్ కూడా నిజంగా తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ డిఅడిక్షన్ కొరకు అంటే నార్కోటిక్స్ కానీ ఆల్కహాల్ కానీ లేకుంటే ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర అయితే మన నిజామాబాద్లో అయితే తెలుస్తాం అంటే అడల్టరేటెడ్ ట్యాడీ దే కంటైన్ సమ్ ఆల్ప్రోజోల్ వెరీ అడిక్టివ్. అండ్ ఐ యూస్ టు మై అంటే ఈవెన్ ద పేషెంట్ వెన్ గెటింగ్ అడ్మిటెడ్ విత్ ద ఫ్రాక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫీమర్ in the hospital, the third day, fourth day, they used to get psychiatric problems, psychosis. They used to give that alcohol. There is no way to control immediately. Even if you any number of this what you could drug medicines you give, they won't. You have to supplement with the alcohol or with that daddy. So that is one of the biggest problems in our area. Then of course drugs also. Government of Telangana is very serious about controlling the drugs. Already we have established one commissioner, separate commissioner for the controlling this drug trafficking and all. And it was a full-fledged office now. There is a many staff is there. There are 25 to 30 crores fund is given. What I mean to say is the government is very serious about controlling the
this drug menace, to control the drug menace and addictions. So this topic now today you select is one of the best topic in the psychiatry, and it will have a lot of impact today. So it needs a lot of research, because the impact of the mental health is so much. As I told before, that it have an economic impact, it have a social impacts, it have a family impacts, everything. So what I expect from you people is the stress management in the working life. So any software engineers, they are well educated, they are really, earnings are good, everything, environment, ambience, everything is good. But still they are committing to addictions and they are committing suicides. They are doing some social activities because of this mental health. So I think at a workplace, stress management is one of the important, I think we need to have a research on that, and need to have some focus on that, especially your department side. So this few words, because I am local MLA, any problem is there, just call me, I will make you more comfortable here. And for the government side, we will have every support with you, Vishal. And actually, I have to say a few words for Vishal. Previously, Nizamabad doesn't know what is psychiatry. Then after Vishal came here, everybody knows psychiatry, there's a department is there, and everybody, so much awareness has come now, because he wants so much of social awareness camps and all. So now it is finally, he brought the whole society, state society to Nizamabad. Now psychiatry is going to be very leading profession in the Nizamabad now. So Vishal, all the best to you. Then I thank you for inviting me here and making me part of this privileged conference, then honoring me. Thank you one and all.